Hello viewers, how are you doing today? Myself, I am Sridhar, architect, interior designer and project management. Today I would like to give the very good update on IPL 2026 match number 3, the match between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings. This was played at Guwahati. This wasn't just a win, but it was a statement. This was Barsapara Stadium in Guwahati. The stadium was buzzing, fans painted in yellow and pink, anticipation in the air, but from the very first ball, Rajasthan Royals seized control. Ruturaj Gaikwad fell early, and suddenly the crowd felt Mandre Burger charged in with pace and precision, breaking stumps and breaking spirits. Jofra Archer followed with venom, rattling batsmen with sheer speed. Ravindra Jadeja stood tall, fighting with grit, but he was lone warrior. Every wicket drew grasp. Every collapse silenced the yellow army. By the end of 20 overs, CSK just managed with 127 runs, a total that looked fragile against the Royals' firepower. Now coming to Rajasthan Royals chase, here comes the roar. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, a name in the cricketing world will remember. Daring, dashing, smashed, a breathtaking 52 of just 32 balls. Sixes flew into the stands, boundaries carved through the fields, and Guwahati erupted with just every strike. Yashasvi Jaiswal played the perfect foil, anchoring with a composed 38 of just 36 balls, and he was not out, ensuring stability while the fire lit up in the night. Dhruv Jurel and skipper Riyad Parag finished the chase with swagger, crossing the line in just 12.1 overs. Fans screamed, pink flags waved, and the Royals dugout exploded in celebration. It wasn't just a victory, it was a dominance. It was a sheer dominance, confidence, and a warning to every other team in IPL 2026. Player of the match was awarded to Namasthe Burger. He took 2 of 26. He took 2 wickets of 26 runs. Coming to Vamshi, none other than the greatest batsman that is coming in the recent times. He made 52 of 72 balls. Result, Rajasthan Royals win by 8 wickets with 47 balls to spare. I am Sridhar, architect, interior designer and project manager. I am giving you the brief. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Please follow my channel. Thank you.